Hi friends, so today we are going to solve question number 11 from SAT practice test 7. So it is part of the calculator section and it is one of the linear equations word problems. So we will see that how these questions are very easy to solve and we can score very high using these questions if we are able to solve these questions. Let's read the question. A software company is selling a new game in standard edition and a collector edition. So there are two types of game which the company is selling, a standard edition and a collector edition. Okay, the box for the standard edition has a volume for 20. So we'll just make two separate columns for which will be handy, standard and collector. For standard the volume has been given as 20 and inches, and the box for collector edition has a volume of 30 cubic. So and for collector it is 30 units. So doing like this, it make very simple to remember the informations because the data is, because the statements are so much and the question is so verbose. Now moving forward, the company receives an order for 75 copies of the game. So what the company is saying that they want standard edition plus collection edition equal to total of 75. So we have one equation directly, that is S plus C is equal to 75. Let's read further. And the total volume of the order to be shipped is 1870 cubic inches. So what they want is that the total volume which they want for both these should be equal to 1870. So suppose if we have boxes of 20 S boxes of standard edition and C boxes of collector's edition, so how many cubic of volume would be required be in total? So we'll have 20 into S because 20 is the volume of one standard edition, plus we know that volume of one collector's edition is 30. So we'll just do 30 into C, and what the question is saying, how much can the volume be? It is supposed to be 1870. So this is a second equation. Which of the following system of equations can be used to determine the number of standard edition games S and collector edition C? So friends, we have already solved the question even before reading the complete question, right? So this is very helpful whenever there is a linear equation word problem, just to calculate data and make equations, because we directly now have our answer S plus these two equations, where S is the number of standard edition games and C is the number of collector edition game. We just have to choose the right answer. So and from options we can directly see that option A is the correct answer here. They have just modified this equation a little bit, so this equation can be written at if we just take 75 to our left hand side and subtract S from this and equal to C. So what I did was I just took S to this side, so it would be C is equal to 75 minus S, and this is what option A is about, right? So these are some ways how SAT will check your knowledge and how they'll confuse you, but these are very pretty simple questions and we should not miss out on these questions. If you have any doubt regarding this question or any other SAT math question, you can join a free WhatsApp group. Also you can post them in the comment section below and we'll solve them as fast as we can. Thank you friends.